Zen wisdom offers profound insights for cultivating mental strength and resilience. By adopting these practices, you can gradually build a stronger mind and overcome feelings of mental weakness. Here are some Zen-inspired principles and habits to help you develop mental strength. 1. Embrace acceptance. Zen wisdom: let go or be dragged. Accepting things as they are, rather than resisting reality, is a fundamental Zen principle. When you accept challenges and discomfort, you reduce inner conflict and free up mental energy to focus on solutions instead of dwelling on problems. 2. Live in the present moment. Zen wisdom: do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future, concentrate the mind on the present moment. Mental weakness often comes from getting stuck in regrets about the past or anxieties about the future. Practicing mindfulness and grounding yourself in the present moment helps alleviate these mental burdens and allows you to respond to life's demands with clarity. 3. Practice non-attachment. Zen wisdom: the root of suffering is attachment. Learning to let go of attachments to outcomes, expectations, and even negative thoughts can increase mental strength. Non-attachment doesn't mean indifference, but rather the ability to face life without clinging to what you think you need to be happy. 4. Cultivate a beginner's mind. Zen wisdom: in the beginner's mind there are many possibilities, but in the expert's mind there are few. Approach challenges with a fresh perspective and openness to learning. Avoid rigid thinking, and be willing to adapt. This mindset helps you see opportunities even in adversity and fosters resilience in the face of setbacks. 5. Embrace discomfort. Zen wisdom: pain is inevitable, suffering is optional. Discomfort is part of life, and avoiding it can lead to weakness. Instead, embrace discomfort as a chance to grow. By facing challenges head-on and accepting temporary pain, you build the mental endurance necessary to overcome greater obstacles. 6. Practice meditation daily. Zen wisdom: the mind is everything. What you think, you become. Regular meditation trains your mind to focus, calm down, and let go of distracting or negative thoughts. Over time, it strengthens your ability to stay centered and mentally resilient, even in difficult situations. 7. Let go of self-judgment. Zen wisdom: you yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. Harsh self-criticism can weaken your mind. Practice self-compassion by treating yourself with kindness, even when you make mistakes. Accept your imperfections while striving for growth, and avoid being your own harshest critic. 8. Simplify your life. Zen wisdom: the more you know, the less you need. Mental clutter can drain your energy and weaken your resolve. Simplify your daily life by eliminating unnecessary distractions and focusing on what truly matters. This creates space for clarity and inner strength. 9. Trust the process. Zen wisdom: a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Understand that building mental strength is a gradual process. Each step, no matter how small, contributes to your growth. Trust the process, stay patient, and keep moving forward without being overwhelmed by the entire journey. 10. Embrace the power of letting go. Zen wisdom: if you let go a little, you will have a little peace. If you let go a lot, you will have a lot of peace. If you let go completely, you will have complete peace. Letting go of what you cannot control empowers you to focus on what you can influence. It reduces unnecessary mental struggles and helps you maintain a strong, resilient mindset. Applying these Zen principles helps build mental strength by fostering a deeper understanding of yourself, accepting life's inherent uncertainties, and embracing growth through mindful practices. Over time, this approach cultivates inner resilience, clarity, and unwavering calmness.